Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money with Zelle. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send money to friends, family, and others you trust to get started. You will need to have a bank account in the United States and a mobile device. First, you need to check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website or by checking your bank's mobile app. If your bank offers Zelle, you can enroll using your email address or mobile number. You will receive a verification code to confirm your identity. Once you are enrolled, you can start sending money. To send money, open your bank's mobile app or the Zelle app and select the option to send money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction, such as a note or a description of the payment. Next, review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Check the recipient's information, the amount, and the memo. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. The money will be sent directly to the recipient's bank account, usually within minutes. It's important to note that you can only send money to recipients who have also enrolled in Zelle. If the recipient has not enrolled, they will receive an email or text message with instructions on how to enroll and receive the money. When sending money with Zelle, it's a good idea to only send money to people you know and trust. This will help protect you from scams and unauthorized transactions. You should also be careful when entering the recipient's information, as incorrect information can cause delays or errors in the transaction. In addition to sending money, you can also use Zelle to request money from others. To request money, open the Zelle app or your bank's mobile app and select the option to request money. Enter the sender's email address or mobile number and the amount you want to request. The sender will receive a notification with instructions on how to send the money. Overall, Zelle is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can use Zelle with confidence and take advantage of its many benefits.